Kia ora and congratulations, Maimoa!
Thank you, guys!
You guys were up some, you're against some stiff competition.
Oh, you said it, and we absolutely love Ria, we absolutely love Stan. They are literally our idols. So you can imagine how shocked we are when they said our name and amongst two of our most idolized performers. So we're very humbled to receive this award.
You deserve it, but it's such a collective. Maimoa is such a collective. Who's going to get the tui at their house?
Well, we have our own Maimoa base where we keep all of our taonga as well, and it's a central space for everyone to enjoy. Of course, te whakanui i te reo Māori. Heoi anō koena etahi o ngā wāhanga, o ngā wāhi katau tēnā o ngā taonga.
This award was new this year as well. It's a completely awesome award because it's about celebrating te reo and the Māori language.
That's right. Well, with this award specifically, this is the Best Māori Artist Award and then the Mana Reo Award to come eventually.
Thank you. That's the one that I was confused around.
Kei te pai.
So, you had the most viewed Māori music video though, right?
Yes, well, essentially, that's one of the topics. Of course, all of our mahi with Maimoa is all for the benefit and the development of te reo Māori. All of our songs, all of our kaupapa, we are here to represent te reo Māori and to inject te reo Māori into the New Zealand music industry.
So what do you say to the Māori kids at home or the kids who have grown up with, diversity? What do you say to them?
Whai ato Māoritanga hei oranga tonutanga mau. Kia ora, everyone. Thank you so much.